Are you sick and tired of seeing a huge tax bill every year? We are going into that time of the year, the end of the year, where a lot of people are like, oh my goodness, how do I own that much in tax? Where did that come from? And how can I reduce that amount? If that's what's on your mind, this is going to be the show for you. You are listening to Purpose Driven Passive Profits.
Hey, accredited investors, I'm excited to announce that we have a new deal right now. It's a 49 unit building located in the horse capital of the world, Lexington, Kentucky. This is where the majority of the Kentucky Derby winning horses come from. Its rents on this building are 15% below market for renovated units in the area. To learn more, all you got to do is go to homeinvest.com or click in the link down in the description below. Always consult with a tax advisor, financial planner, or attorney before making an investment decision. Having said all that, all you have to do is go to homeinvest.com or click in the description down below.
His name is Nate Armstrong. He's the CEO and founder of Home Invest, an Inc. 500 company, real estate investor for more than 20 years, proud father, and strong Christian leader. My name is Steve Warner. I am the Chief Investment Officer here at Home Invest. And today we are going to be talking about how you can cut your tax bill. So Nate, we do something that is different at Home Invest than most syndicators out there. Most syndicators can offer you a tax reduction through doing a cost segregation study, passing some of that on. But we do something that is really special. We bring people into the deal, basically making them an active investor. What does that allow them to do?
Yeah, so by making someone I should take a 10,000 foot view. Most people, when they get into a real estate project, if they're looking to eliminate their tax, in order to get the passive benefits of real estate investing, they have to have this professional status. I want to share what that is and just kind of walk people through it. So we had a chance to buy this property last December. It's a nice 78 unit building in Louisville, Kentucky. Our partners on this particular property, we got together, we hired a specialist to walk the property and write up a report that allowed us to take a $987,000 tax break for the next 5 years, 987 this year, 987 the next year, and the year after, and the year after, et cetera. That's a massive, massive tax break. The way that we're doing that is we're leveraging two things. We're leveraging first tax code 179, IRS tax code. It's called accelerated depreciation. And we combine that with something that the Trump administration passed called the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act. It allows for some bonus depreciation. Between the two, we get this massive tax credits that's just knocking out our active income. Now, the catch for most people in that is that they have to have a status that's called real estate professional status. It doesn't mean that you're a real estate broker or a real estate attorney or a real estate license agent or anything like that. It simply means that you make the majority of your income there and in real estate, and you do a couple of other things that the IRS requires. Now, if someone is a surgeon or someone is a chiropractor or someone works a busy job or runs a business day to day that's not real estate, it's harder to qualify for that. And so there is another way to pick up those tax benefits, and it's to actually be an active partner in the deal. What does that mean? Does that mean that you have to run down and pick up a hammer and start hammering nails? Does that mean you have to manage tenants and toilets? No, the IRS says that it's material participation. Now, that could be debated in some fields by different CPAs, but what we feel that it is participating in the project. And so we structured a way for people with busy professions, busy businesses, things like that, that they can actually be an active participant in these projects and pick up more tax benefits. And it really boils down to who the individual is and how much tax write-offs they need. So it's hard for me. I can't stand on a platform from the front and say, hey, this is exactly what you'll get. But when I know someone's situation, we partner them with our CPA and we figure out what that is to help them maximize tax benefits.
So just so you guys understand this, I'm going to try to clarify it just a little bit. We do great with passive investments for people. If you have $100,000 that you would like to invest, we'll invest it for you. We provide up to a 16% rate of return, as well as up to a 1.8x multiple. Our goal, you give us $100,000, we're going to try our best. And so far, we've always hit giving $180,000 back in 3 to 5 years. But if you have a large tax burden that you want to get rid of, What we're going to do is we're going to find an active project for you. We're going to partner with you as an active partner. Instead of doing a syndication, it's going to be two of us at Home Invest and you. You're going to be an active partner, which unlocks way more tax benefits for you. What is it specifically? It's going to depend on the property and it's going to depend on your tax needs. But we're going to figure out how to get you a much, much bigger write-off than what you would have got just investing passively. Now, this is on a case-by-case basis. If you would like to know what this looks like for you, you can reach out to us at homeinvest.com. Just go there. You can book a call. It'll be with myself or Sue. We will walk you through what this looks like, but it's going to be a two-person partnership. You're going to invest with us. We're going to find a property that fits what you need for your tax burdens. We're going to go in, we're going to focus on doing repairs versus replace to get you the maximum tax write-offs this year. And hopefully we can write off a large chunk of your taxes and still do that 1.8x multiple, get you a great rate of return on the back end. But really, we're going to save you a ton in taxes this year. Nate, did I miss anything in there? Is there anything specific people need to know about how this works?
No, I think that you nailed that, Steve.
Okay. Awesome. We would love to talk to you about this because, at the end of the day, nobody really likes to pay taxes. We all want to give to Caesar what is Caesar's. We all want to support our government. But if you can save money on your taxes, if you're looking at 180, maybe $200,000, $250,000, we can help you get a large chunk of that back now, plus have a great investment that is going to pay out cash flow dividends and hit that up to 16% IRR and up to 1.8x multiple in a two-person partnership. If you have a lot of taxes and you'd like to talk to us, again, click the link down below or go to homeinvest.com. Book a call with myself or Sue. We'll be happy to walk you through it. Paying the least amount in taxes is being a good steward of your money and of your resources, which is what we are all about here at Home Invest.
And Steve, I don't think it's an accident that in the Bible, so it's written in Matthew 25 and Luke 19, and in the book of Luke, it's actually Jesus walking through a town called Jericho, and who he's describing this parable of the talents to is a tax collector. He's talking to Zacchaeus, and so I don't think it's an accident that placement's there. Like, we are supposed to give to Caesar what is Caesar's, although I don't believe with Caesar in the United States of America right now. I think that Caesar has gone a little bit crazy. So I think that we should be efficient, but it's our duty to be good stewards of our money. So being tax efficient is definitely part of it.
Awesome. All right, guys, that is going to wrap up this episode of Purpose-Driven Passive Profits. If you want to save a lot on taxes, click the link down below. Go to homeinvest.com. I will talk to you. Sue will talk to you. We'll get you some huge tax savings. We'll put together something special for you. Till next time, be great stewards of your money. This is Nate and Steve signing off for Purpose-Driven Passive Profits. Thanks so much for listening to our show today. Here's Nate with our latest offering.
Hey, accredited investors, I'm excited to announce that we have a new deal right now. It's a 49-unit building located in the horse capital of the world, Lexington, Kentucky. This is where the majority of the Kentucky Derby winning horses come from. Its rents on this building are 15% below market for renovated units in the area. To learn more, all you got to do is go to homeinvest.com or click in the link down in the description below. Always consult with a tax advisor, financial planner, or attorney before making an investment decision. Having said all that, all you have to do is go to homeinvest.com or click in the description down below.
We'll see you soon here on Purpose-Driven Passive Profits.